Google Sheets has hundreds of keyboard shortcuts, but honestly, you don't need most of them. You need the ones that actually save you time. And I'm going to show you those. So we'll start with shortcuts to cut and copy data. So if I select this column, daily rate, the whole column, I use Control C to copy it, and then I can use Control V in the next field to paste it over there. Now, instead of copying, if I want to cut the field, I can select that field and use Control X, and then again Control V to paste it somewhere else. Also, if I mess something up along the way, like pasting this in the wrong column, we can use Control Z to undo that work. Now for the next ones, which are formatting, I'll select the header row, and I can use Control B for bold, Control I for italics, and Control U to underline. The other shortcuts help you select data and navigate your file. These are helpful if you have big files with lots of data and worksheets. So I can select all of my data by using Control A. We can also use Control Home to navigate to the beginning of the data, in this case, cell A1. And this file is small, but imagine a file with 100 columns and 100,000 rows. Control Home can be helpful in that case. Then I can also use Alt up and down to switch between the worksheets in my file. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.